everyone. Welcome to the Wonders of I. This is the uppercase letter I. This is the lowercase letter I. The uppercase letter I may look like this sometimes. Again, this is the lowercase I that stays the same. What are these letters called? The uppercase I and the lowercase I. Let's learn about the long vowel sound of I. It says I. What sound does it say, boys and girls? I. That's correct. Great job. This girl's name is Ivy. Her name starts with the long I sound, and it also has an uppercase letter I because it's the name of a person. Ice is another picture that starts with the long I sound. Let's move on to the short I sound. The short vowel sound of I is I, as in the picture iguana, and another picture like thin or fish. Let's sing our little jingle. Oh my, I see and I can be a letter, and I can make sounds like I or it, or I can be a word. It's time for one of my favorite activities called Where Do I Belong? Your task will be to decide whether each picture belongs in the long I oval, I, the short I oval, I, or the X box. Let's get started. Where does the picture lights belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval. Great job. The I says I. Where does the milk pitcher belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the short I oval. The short I says I. Wonderful. Where does the B picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the X box. Why? The picture B does not say I or I. It says E, B. Wonderful. Okay, let's move on. Where does the iron picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval. The I says I. Yes. Where does the ice picture belong? In the long I oval that says I, the short I oval that says I, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval that says I. Wonderful. Where does the spider picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval. Great thinking. Let's move on. Where does the top picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the X box. Remember, the long I says I, the short I says I. And in this case, the vowel sound in top says ah. Where does the rip paper picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the short I oval that says I. Where does the microphone picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval. Wonderful. Where does the tie picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the long I oval that says I. Great. Where does the gift picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the short I oval that says I. Great. Where does the sixth picture belong? In the long I oval, the short I oval, or the X box? The answer is the short I oval that says I. Let's sing our little jingle. Oh my, I see and I can be a letter and I can make sounds like I or it, or I can be a word. Our next activity involves identifying the vowel I sounds in animal names. Let's start naming them. The first animal is dinosaur. Next, pig. Go on. Lion, tiger, iguana, and rhinoceros. Which two pictures have the short I sound that says I? Dun, 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 ba, da, da, da. Do you know the answer, boys and girls? The answers are pig and iguana. Well done, you are hanging in there. Let's sing our little jingle. Oh my, I see and I can be a letter and I can make sounds like I or it, or I can be a word. Now, boys and girls, it's time for you to put on your thinking caps again. Read the sentences with me and choose the long or short vowel word that completes the sentences. Let's go. I have a. Complete the sentence that has the picture with the long sound in the word. Is the answer fig or tricycle? You got it. The answer is tricycle. I have a tricycle. Yes, let's move on. I have a. It's a short I sound in the word. So is it fish or kite? The answer is fish. I have a fish. Wonderful. Finally, I have a. Now I'm looking for a long vowel picture. Is it mitt or light bulb? The answer is light bulb. I have a light bulb. Great, great, great. These are resources for parents and teachers. Enjoy. There are more videos to come, everyone. Take time out to click the red subscription button so you will not miss out on any other videos that might be coming your way. Remember, Bubbly V makes learning fun. Until next time.